So hi, I'm Zoe Aliawi, grade 12 STEM student, St. Paula from College to Immaculate Conception. So first, let's talk about my grade SlOAN hospital cell analogy. In the first part of my shuttle Grace hospital cell analogy is the door. Hospital door control what goes in and out. Similar to the cell membrane, it controls what goes in and out of the cell. The second is hospital building or the cell wall. The hospital building protects the patient from harmful objects, similar how the cell wall maintains the shape of the cell and protects it from injuries. The third is air conditioner heater as cytoplasm. The air conditioner heater helps the hospital maintain the appropriate temperature for the patients to get better, like cytoplasm. The fluid maintains the internal pressure to prevent the cell from shrinking. The fourth one is stretcher as endoplasmic reticulum. The stretchers is similar to endoplasmic reticulum because they are both transport system. In cells, they transport ions and molecules. So the fifth one is cafeteria as ribosomes. Cafeteria and ribosomes create proteins and food for the cell and the patients. Nurses as Golgi bodies. Nurses receive patients from stretchers and then distribute them to a specific room. In the hospital, like Golgi bodies receive proteins from the ER and distribute it to other parts of the cell. So, solar panels as chloroplast. Chloroplast uses sunlight to make energy for the cell, similar to how solar panels uses sunlight to produce electricity for the hospital. Hospital records as chromosomes. Chromosomes carries information that helps cell grow. The hospital records carry information of the patients can be used to aid them. Proteins as proteins. Proteins are received from the endoplasmic reticulum and then distributed to other parts of the cell. Like patients are transported to other parts of the hospital through nurses. Chef as the nucleolus. The nucleolus makes ribosomes. The cafeteria, so the chef makes the food that is served in the cafeteria. Janitor as lysosomes. Lysosomes break down and gets rid of waste, just like how the janitor removes waste from the hospital. Supply room as the vacuole. Vacuole stores water and nutrients in the cell, similar to how the supply room stores the necessity for a hospital to function. Doctor as nucleus. A nucleus directs all the activity and holds the DA. The doctors direct the nurses to activities, operations, and holds informations. Laboratory as mitochondria. The mitochondria produces ATP to fuel the cell's action. A laboratory can produce vaccine used to cure patients.